The Rose City Adventure, Isparta. Dulce and Arda arrived in a city called Isparta. It is often called the Rose City because so many beautiful roses grow here. "Look, Arda, everything smells so sweet and fresh," said Dulce. Isparta grows many roses. More than half of all the roses in Turkey grow right here. The best time to see them is in May and June. The flowers must be picked very early in the morning when the dew is still cool. Arda watched people picking the roses carefully. These roses are special. They are used to make sweet rose water and fragrant rose oil. This oil is used for perfumes and soap all over the world. It is a very important job. After the sweet smell of the gardens, they drove away to a very different kind of beauty, Lake Eğirdir. The water is clear and incredibly blue. Eğirdir is the fourth largest lake in all of Turkey, full of fresh water. "Can we ride a boat, Dulce?" asked Arda excitedly. Many people come to the lake for fishing, cycling, and sailing. The two islands on the lake look like big, peaceful, floating green hills in the blue water. Next, they traveled back in time. They visited Sagalassos, a very old Roman city high up in the mountains. This wonderful place is 2,000 years old. They saw where the ancient people used to live and meet. Arda loved climbing on the stone ruins. The theater was huge. Then they drove to a tiny village called Kuyukak. It was July, and the fields were suddenly covered in bright purple. "These are lavender fields," Dulce said. Isparta is also known for this beautiful, sweet-smelling flower. Dulce quickly bought special lavender soap and delicious lavender honey to take home as gifts. In the main city of Isparta, they tried some special local foods. They ate pumpkin dessert topped with walnuts and a local dish called tahinli piyaz, a delicious bean salad with a creamy tahini sauce. Isparta is a wonderful province of sweet flowers, clear fresh water, and incredible history. Dulce and Arda knew they would remember the sweet smell of the roses and the bright colors of the lake forever. What a great adventure!